Passion and your micro niche. Some people are not able to find what is their passion, what their micro niche. Some days back, I have made a video on that, and I will put a link in the description of this video or either at the end of this video. You can watch and see what are the things that you can find out and what is the way of finding out your micro niche. But in this video also I will talk about the another way of finding your passion or micro niche. Ask yourself this question: what is the thing that you spend most of your money on? If you have a lot of money with you and you don't have to care about that I have to where I have to earn that money, then what will you do in your free time? What is the thing that you will do for free? So these are some of the questions you can ask yourself. What happens is people spend a lot of money on the things they like, they love. For me, it's like reading a lot. I have spent a lot of money on books. So I know I love books. So if there is a lot of time left for me, I'll spend that time in reading of books. So this can be my micro niche. I'm not saying that this will be my niche, but I can make my passion and purpose in this area. So for you as well, you can simply ask these questions. But for that you have to sit in a quiet place where there is no disturbance at all. Simply ask these questions. First question: what is the most money you spent? Right? Where do you spend most of your money? The things you buy, the pleasure. Might be you are going out to play squash and paying a lot of money. You are going to play a golf. Maybe you are reading a lot of books. So find a way where you have spent a lot of money in that. Maybe you have taken some course and spent a lot of money on that. Second, what will you do in your free time? Or what are you doing in free time? This can be your passion and love. So ask these questions to yourself and see if it helps.